Hi everyone. If you are working in VMware virtualization or planning to move into cloud infrastructure, this is the right time to understand where the industry is heading in 2026. Today, organizations are not looking for engineers who can just manage vSphere or handle a single vSphere component. The expectation has completely changed. Companies want professionals who can handle the entire software-defined data center end to end, starting from design, then moving into deployment, then handling upgrades, and then managing the day-to-day operations without any dependency. This is exactly where VMware Cloud Foundation 9 becomes very important in the market. Now, think about your current skill set. You might be comfortable with vCenter, vNSX, and some storage concepts. But in real enterprise environments, everything is completely integrated now. We are expected to work on a complete platform where compute, storage, networking, and automation are tightly integrated and connected. That is what VCF delivers here, and that is what the market is demanding right now in 2026. So one of the biggest gap I see in many experienced professionals is not knowledge, but lack of real hands-on experience. People know concepts, but when it comes to actually deploying a full VCF environment or performing an upgrade or troubleshooting a failure during deployment, that confidence is completely missing. And that is exactly what interviewers are testing today for vSphere, that is for the virtualization environment. With VCF 9, the focus is even more on automation and lifecycle management. Here, organizations want faster deployments, minimal manual work, and stable upgrade paths. Whether it is greenfield deployment, where everything is built from scratch, or a brownfield scenario where existing environments are imported and transformed, we are expected to know the complete workflow here. So that is why learning VCF is not just about understanding features, it is about gaining the ability to work in real-time production environments. So in our training, we are going to approach it from a practical perspective. We will work with VCF 9.0 and 9.0.1 environments. We'll go through actual upgrade scenarios and we will cover both deployment models, that is Greenfield and Brownfield. More importantly, we'll focus on how things behave in real environments, include common issues. For example, if you are performing a deployment and deployment got failed, what are the log files which we need to analyze? How you are going to, handle that scenario? So how to troubleshoot them step by step? Those things will be covered here. By end of this, you should be in a position where you can confidently say that you can handle a VCF environment in a real job, not just explain it in a theoretical way. So if your goal is to stay relevant in this market and move to the next level in your career, this is the right skill to invest your time. So please contact me on WhatsApp 9361 or register for enrollment in WhatsApp group shared in the description.